Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover lost Steam saved data after reinstalling. Losing your game progress after reinstalling a Steam game can be frustrating, especially after spending hours or even hundreds of hours playing. Whether your save files can be recovered depends on whether they were backed up through Steam Cloud, stored in a local backup, or accidentally deleted but still recoverable from your computer. Fortunately, there are several methods you can try before giving up on your saved progress. The first step is to check whether your game uses Steam Cloud synchronization. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Select the game whose save data you are trying to recover. Check whether the game displays a Steam Cloud status or cloud icon. If the cloud feature is available and enabled, your save data may have been synchronized to Steam's servers and can automatically download when the game is reinstalled. If you do not see a cloud option or it was never enabled before the data was lost, recovery through Steam Cloud may not be possible. This step helps determine whether your saves are potentially recoverable through Steam's online backup system. The next method is to restore a previously created Steam game backup. Click on the Steam button in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Restore a Game Backup. Steam will open the Restoration Wizard. Browse your computer for any backup files you previously created and select them. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore the backup. If your saved data was included in the backup, it may return along with the restored game files. Another simple but often overlooked method is to check the Recycle bin on your desktop. If the save files were recently deleted, they may still be stored there. Search for any files or folders related to the affected game. If you find them, right-click the files and select Restore. This returns them to their original location on your computer. If the game is installed but your save data is still not recognized, verify the game files. Go back to your library, right-click the affected game and select Properties. Navigate to Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game installation and replace any missing or corrupted game files that could prevent the game from loading correctly. Keep in mind, however, that this process mainly repairs game installation files and usually does not restore deleted personal save files unless the save data is part of the game's downloaded files. It is important to understand that the ability to recover lost saves depends on where the data was originally stored. Common sources of recovery include Steam Cloud synchronization, a manually created Steam backup, local save files still present on your drive, files that remain in the recycle bin. Some games also store save files outside the Steam installation folder, such as in the Documents folder or the App Data directory, so checking those locations may also help. A common beginner mistake is uninstalling a game without checking whether Steam Cloud is enabled or backing up the save files first. Another common mistake is assuming that reinstalling the game or verifying the game files will always recover lost progress. These tools repair the game itself, but they usually do not recover personal save data. To summarize, recovering lost Steam save data begins by checking whether the game supports Steam Cloud and whether your saves can be synchronized again. If not, use Steam Restore a Game Backup to restore any existing backups, check the recycle bin for accidentally deleted save files, and use Library, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair the game installation. These methods can help determine whether your lost progress can be restored. And that's how to recover lost Steam save data after reinstalling a game. By checking Steam Cloud, restoring backups, searching for deleted save files, and repairing the game installation, you give yourself the best chance of getting your progress back without having to start over. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.